How to fix Hades and Hades 2 crashing on Steam. First, you want to go to the library, right click on the game and open up the properties window. And then under the general tab, under launch options, you want to type the following command, -dx11. You can also try -d3d11 if the first command does not work properly. And then go to the installed files, click on this verify integrity of game files button, and wait for this process to finish checking your files. Now, once this is done, you want to close out of this window and then open up your GPU application. So for NVIDIA, it's NVIDIA app. Then go to the drivers section. Make sure you download and install the latest game ready driver. And if you have it already installed, try to reinstall it by clicking this button here. And then you will need to open up your browser and search for Redist, like this. And then click on the first Microsoft link. Scroll down to this table and make sure to download and install the 86 version and the 64 version from here, both of them. Now, once you finish installing these, you will need to restart your computer by clicking the restart button. And once you restart your system, you should just open Steam and launch Hades or Hades 2, and that should fix the crashing issues. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.